Okay, yeah.
I love girls that can protect me from bugs. I'm gonna protect them from rapists and shit. Fuck my life in the pussy.
She's touching a cicada, and so is he. He's overcoming his fear, ladies and gents.
Oh my fucking god.
Never mind. I stand corrected. You just can't do it.
I did it. I touched his wing. I've been waiting to do that.
Can you hold it?
Hand. I'll break his
No, oh my god, no. I'd rather.
Christina is starting to overcome her fear. Oh no.
He's like, oh no. You would never kiss that mouth again.
Oh, we have toothpaste. Disinfectant.
I don't even know.
I'm done.
That face you do. Blah, 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 blah. Not so close, woman! Woman, if you don't take she's coming after me with a cicada. No. Save me. I don't trust this girl. Take her phone.
I need a beer.
Therefore, I can lock her out of my house.
Never.
Save myself.
How do you unrecord?
It is already recording.
How do you
Isn't it?
unrecord it?